official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I, Rakesh Purulia, Assistant Professor from Mathematics Department. Today my topic is determinant. It is a property of matrices, important property. So, in determinants, first of all we have second order determinant, then we have third order determinant. Okay. Before going to determinant, we start second order determinant. Second order determinant, for this we need second order matrix. Okay, what is second order matrix? Matrix which contains set 2 rows and 2 columns. This shows number of rows and this shows number of columns. Okay, so as we know, always we write matrix in square bracket, but in determinant, how we can find determinant of this? This we have to know. So for second order determinant, this is the notation of determinant of A. If the matrix given to us A, then this is denoted by determinant of A. This notation you can also use. You can use this notation, or D. Any of the notation you can use. Now, how to solve this one? So first of all, determinant of second order determinant, it is cross multiplication of A11 into A22 minus A21 minus A12. Okay, this one. So, for example, given matrix, it is something 2, 1, 3, 5. Then, how we find determinant? Determinant of A equal to this one, cross multiplication. So this is 2 into 5 minus 3 into 1, this one. Simplify this. This is 5 to the 10 minus 3. So answer is determinant of A equal to 7. For this one, 2 cross 2. So you can find any of determinant. Okay. Another example is B equal to 2, 1, I minus I. Then determinant of B equal to cross multiplication of this 2 into 1 minus I into minus I. So this becomes determinant of B equal to 2 minus plus I square. As we know, I square equal to minus 1. I square equal to minus 1. So this becomes determinant of B equal to 2 minus 1. So determinant of B equal to 1. This way. So this way you can find 2 cross 2 determinant. Now we go for third order determinant. For this, what we need? We need a matrices of 3 cross 3, means 3 rows and 3 columns. Now, how we can solve for 3 cross 3? So first start off, first row, first entry, it is A11. So how you can find? So take here determinant. So A11 into what we do? This one. Rest of entries we have to write in 2 cross 2 determinant here. So it is A22, A23, A32 and A33 minus now second entry. Second entry, that is A12 into, so this one, rest of this, so A21, A23, A31 and A33 you have to put out here, plus third one, so it is this one, A21, A21, A22, A31, A32 you have to put out here, and then simplified it. So how you can simplify it? Now next step, this one. So A22 cross multiplication, as we solve for 2 cross 2. So A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23, this one. Minus A12 into, again same process, A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31, this one, plus again this one. A21 minus into A32 minus A22 into A31. This way. So this way you can solve 3 cross 3 determinant. Now we go for example of 3 cross 3 determinant. Example is given matrix A equal to this. So first of all we need to see here 3 cross 3. It contains 3 rows and 3 columns. So solution part, determinant of A equal to, now how you can solve? 3, target first entry, 3 into what we need. So here entry is 0712 minus 1 into second entry. So it is rest of entry you have to write 2732 plus third entry, same process, so you will get 2031 this. So now next step, determinant of A equal to 3 into in bracket 0 into 2 cross multiplication, 0 into 2 minus 7 into 1 or 1 into 7. So minus 7 into 1. Minus 1 as it is. Again 2 into 2 minus 7 into 3. Bracket over plus 2. Again 2 into 1 minus 3 into 0. This will simplify this. So determinant of A equal to 3. This is 0, this is minus 7, so minus 7, minus 1, this is 4, minus 21, this is again 4. So this becomes determinant of A equal to minus 21, minus 17, minus 21, minus 4, minus 17, again minus, so it is plus 17 plus 4. So this we will get determinant of A equal to minus 21 plus 21. This will give you determinant of A equal to 0. This is your answer. This way you can find third order determinant. One more example we can take here. Determinant is it is 5 3 minus 1 4 minus 3 0 and then something 6 1 2 6 1 2 is 2. Again 3 cross 3 means 3 rows and 3 columns. So first of all same method, determinant of A equal to, for first entry this one 5. What we can do, the entry containing same row and same column you should neglect. इस रो जिस एंट्री 5 एंट्री जिस रो और कॉलम में हो उस रो और कॉलम को निकाल, उसके अलावा जो हो उसका 2 क्रॉस 2 डिटरमिनेंट बना. सो इट इज 5 into -3 0 1 2. सेम प्रोसेस सेकेंड एंट्री के लिए, तो ये होगा आपके पास -3 फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड कॉलम जाएगा तो रहेगा क्या 4062 minus 1. Same for third entry. So this becomes first row and third column के सिवाय की जो entry वो लिखो 4 minus 3 6 1. अब इसको simplified करो. So this becomes determinant of A equal to 5 cross multiplication in bracket minus 3 into 2 minus 1 into 0 minus 3 bracket 4 into 2 minus 6 into 0 minus 1 in bracket 4 into 1 minus 3 into 6. Simplified. This becomes determinant of A equal to 5. This is minus 6 minus 0 minus 3. So this is 4 to the 8 minus 0 minus 1. This will give you 4 minus plus 6 3s are 18. So this becomes determinant of A equal to minus 30 minus 24 minus 22. So this becomes determinant of A equal to minus 76. This is your answer. Thank you for watching our video. Please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.